For more updates, click on subscribe and click on bell button for latest notifications. Hi friends, welcome to Tech ARK IT YouTube channel. My name is Ravi. In this video session, we are going to see that how to install Nagios Xi latest version, how you are going to install using the Centos 7 operating system over here.
Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
Okay, so this is what we are going to do is in this video. Let's see this. What is these Nagios Xi advantages and what is the minimum requirement or the minimum system requirement over here. So comparatively other enterprise monitoring tools, Nagios Xi is in very low cost. I can say that straightforward, let's say $2,000 per year. And multi-user support, it can provide like graphical user interface and multi-user support, and fully customized as per the requirement. So how much level you want to customize your monitoring tools, like in case of the alerting systems or in case of the dashboards or in case of system, whatever you want to monitor, like which supports the installation of Nagios client or which can support the SNMP. So any device you can monitor using this Nagios Xi. Integrated Nagvis support, so this is very useful. Like Nagvis will give you a super duper dashboards, like how you can build directly put your data center image over here and put the server status on mapping. So that looks very nice and grateful, like directly you can see in a single screen, like your data center visibility is status will be visible to you on a single dashboard. And capacity planning integrated to predict out of resources, like capacity planning is a very big thing, like in terms of monitoring of the disk spaces or the CPU utilization and the hardware utilization. You can predict these resources using this capacity planning integration. And PHP based application, and it's very light and faster. Client based monitoring, like which can support NRPE, or clientless monitoring which can also support SNMP using this. And the minimum system requirement is that maybe nowadays this can also support Ubuntu operating system for the Nagios Xi recently announced, and enterprise Linux or CentOS 5, 6, 7, but 5 is out of the box now, out of support. 5 is not supported. Minimum requirement is that Linux 6 or 7, CentOS 6 or 7 it's required. It is Red Hat. If it is a Red Hat system, you have to register with the Red Hat networks, like the RHEL channel. You have to subscribe for the few repositories, and OS should be installed with the minimal uh, installation. It does not require any GUI or anything. It should be a fresh installation. If you install any other application and try to install this Nagios Xi, which may fail. And minimum 2 GB of RAM and 20 GB of the hard disk space. One CPU and 2.4 gigahertz would be more than enough. Our database would be MySQL or MariaDB, and as well as the PostgreSQL for the authentication services. And PHP 5 or latest version of the PHP would be more than enough for the requirement. Let's see this, how you can install the Nagios Xi. So first of all, you have to have the M configured and install few packages. PHP, these packages would be more than enough. Wget, GCC and GCC++. So these are the packages which requires, because these are the compilation packages required. Say yes. Now required packages are installed. just change your directory back to the TMP or any other directory where you will download. Example, say that I just redirect to /opt. I now download this latest version of the Nagios Xi version over here. So using this wget command and this path, you can download the Nagios Xi over here. So which may download the package, which is the tar file. Which is 52 MB in size, current version of the Nagios Xi. And now it is downloaded. You can see that and just extract that package using the tar command, and now it's extracted, and enter into that directory and see that there are a lot many files over here. You can see that out of this there is a file called full install. So where is that? This is the file, and you just have to run that file, full install. So now it automatically take care of the all the required RPMs and will be installed and configured. Say yes. Important, this could be run is. So now you can see that the Nagios installation successfully installed. Now you can go ahead and open this page so that you can see that it will ask you for the few steps to complete the installation. So now you can go ahead and see here, and it is asking for the program URL. So you can see this URL, it's already set, okay, and the time zone is already detected, and language is English, and click next. Here the password setup. So the password is very complex. I am just going to do a password little bit easier. Full name and email address. So it's going to send the any notification like password reset notification, all this. So you have to change this to your actual address, so that whenever you want to reset any password account, it will send you the details over here, send the notification. So it will take a little time to finish the installation. So now installation is completed. The username is Nagios admin and password is this one. Now just log into Nagios Xi. You can see this Nagios admin and the password. Click here to log in. So the first time you have to read this license agreement and say you have agreed for the license. And here is the one, so which is a 60 days trial, which you can use enterprise all the features on this Nagios Xi. Okay, in a next section, so we can go ahead and see this all this Nagios Xi tour over here. So this version is, so I can show you the version details. This is the very latest version. You can see this Nagios Xi 5.5.11. so that is the version I have installed over here. So I can go to admin, also you can see that the version. You can see this, all the services are running fine, no issues. Okay, that's how you can install the Nagios Xi on CentOS 7. So thanks for watching, stay tuned, please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos and courses on Nagios and Nagios Xi. Thanks for watching. Please follow us on social networking sites. If you have any technical related questions, you can ask.